Festive colors and a zesty lime dressing make this salad a favorite to make ahead and then serve at parties, picnics, or to pack in a lunch. See the description below for your ingredient list. Start by rinsing and draining your black beans in a colander, then add them to a shallow sealable container. Then add the remaining ingredients. You can chop your garlic or use a mincer. You'll need 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoons cumin, and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. You can chop your cilantro or use herb scissors. This recipe calls for jalapeno peppers. I don't have any, but I have an orange bell pepper. I'll add that this time. Stir well. Then seal and refrigerate. After several hours, stir it again. Taste and adjust your seasonings if necessary. Then refrigerate overnight until you're ready to serve. Another similar recipe is black-eyed pea salad, or try power-packed health nut salad, or fried chicken salad with warm honey mustard dressing. Thanks for watching, and please hit the cupcake to subscribe.